about alphabets along with animals' names. A for alligator. Alligator. B for bear. Bear. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for fox. Fox. G for giraffe. Giraffe. H for horse. Horse. I for iguana. Iguana. J for jaguar. Jaguar. K for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L for lion. Lion. M for monkey. Monkey. N for newt. Newt. O for octopus. Octopus. P for penguin. Penguin. Q for quail. Quail. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for seal. T for turtle. Turtle. U for unicorn. Unicorn. V for vulture. Vulture. W for wolf. Wolf. X for X-ray fish. X-ray fish. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra. If you like my channel, please like and share and subscribe. Bye.